Firefighters from departments across the valley spent the day at Lake Pleasant preparing for worst-case scenarios in the wildfire season.
Fox 10's Ashley Rodriguez was there, and she has more on that tonight.
This week, we got a taste of what's to come. Extremely high heat in Arizona usually kicks off the risk of wildfires. Add in high winds, dry vegetation, and a booming population in rural areas. And firefighters are preparing now for the fires that could threaten our homes this summer.
Footing. It is very hard work. It is hot. These crews will go out for 2 weeks at a time. They're sleeping in tents. Part of the importance of this training is to make sure that they are prepared, that their body is physically prepared.
It's time for the annual Wildland refresher training.
This would be in case there was no hydrants around, no lake.
When the Central Arizona Wildland Response Team ensures firefighters called up to battle wildfires this year are up to the task.
Over in this area, we have crews practicing scratching lines. The idea is the fire would burn up to that point and then stop, and that's what you're going to try to do with these wildland fires, is contain it and then control it.
From sandbox operations, where incident commanders can practice deploying units, to water pumping stations.
And we draft the water out of this porta tank, so it's a continuous operation, have water at all times, and keep fighting the fire.
100 firefighters attended the training, along with future firefighters from Sunrise Mountain High School.
I also knew some firefighters that were very respectable and a person that I would look up to. And I knew that it was just going to be a good career field.
They practice putting fire shelters down, a task that needs to be done quickly in the case the wind picks up a wall of fire and sends it blazing back onto the crew.
So firefighters have died coming out of their shelter too early.
We're fast approaching that time. I know we're almost up to triple digits already, and so it's here. We are prepared to do this. We are ready to do this. We have the equipment that we need and the training that we need to be proficient.
At Lake Pleasant, Ashley Rodriguez, Fox 10 News.